Thank you for joining us for more Fox 4 News at 6 on this Friday evening. I'm Nadine Yanis.
And I'm Chris Earl. New CDC numbers show more people are getting COVID-19 here in Southwest Florida. Lee Health is also seeing more sick people coming into the hospital.
It is still not as bad as it was last summer, even over the holidays, but health leaders are still worried about the community. Fox 4's Caitlin Knapp is live in studio. And Caitlin, what exactly do these numbers mean for our area?
Well, because Lee, Collier, and Charlotte counties are in the high range of community transmission, the CDC recommends wearing a mask inside, regardless if you're vaccinated or not. Lee Health's chief clinical officer told me today she's not surprised we're at this point of community transmission.
It doesn't take much to tip over that transmission point, honestly.
A point Southwest Florida is at, according to the CDC.
We are seeing an increased number of cases, increased transmission in our area.
Lee Health's chief clinical officer, Stephanie Stovall, says the hospital has seen about 60 to 70 COVID patients now.
So we're not working in a crisis mode at this point, but we obviously are worried about our community members. We're worried about those who are at high risk of severe disease.
Stovall believes the cases could be higher than what's on paper, as some people may not get tested if they know they're positive or they take an at-home test.
Is there a reason why we're seeing these cases go up now?
I think it's more about behavior, more about that ability of the disease to transmit before someone even knows that they're sick, and we don't have those other protective mechanisms in place.
Stovall adds people are less likely to wear masks and take other safety measures to slow the spread.
Kind of expected that this was going to happen, especially the closer we get to summer when everybody wants to do stuff and they feel like they're finally let out of the gate after 2 years.
2 years into the pandemic, with an unclear map of what the future holds.
So I don't think that we really know what the how looks like. I think that that immunity is going to be the key, where we'll stop seeing pockets of individuals who have high rates of transmission and high levels of severe disease.
While Lee, Charlotte, and Collier counties are in the high community level range, each one is dealing with its own set of COVID numbers. If you want to look at those, they're on fox4now.com. Live in studio, Caitlin Knapp, Fox 4.